From Kenya Parliament. Thank you.
Day 4 of the vetting process, and Njoki Ndung'u, a former legislator and human rights activist, was the first to face the panel.
You haven't settled. You are too nomadic. You have been everywhere. Is your application of 14th April 2011 to be appointed a Justice of the Supreme Court a final attempt to settle down in one job?
First of all, it is incorrect. It's an incorrect presumption that if you move often, that it is a bad thing. It's actually considered a very good thing. Nowadays, if you stay too long at a job, they'll ask you why.
Mid-morning, so Lady Justice Ruth Sitati faced the panel.
Can you share with us your views on how you'd go about interpreting the Constitution?
In interpreting the Constitution, we have to take the Supreme Court and any other court will have to take into account the values and the principles of governance.
Finally, Wilfred Nderitu, who sits at the International Criminal Court and the International Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda and is affiliated to the International Council of Jurists, also faced the panel, where questions fielded to him varied from education to his literal writings.
If you suffer from the same failures in terms of your past work, in terms of your scholarly writings, how can you remedy the biggest problem facing the judiciary if you sit in the Supreme Court?
These are articles that you write for books that are then disseminated to people whose appreciation of the issues that are being raised is lower.
24 candidates, but only 5 will be nominated. The search for the Supreme Court judges enters day 5 tomorrow, with Lady Justices Violet Hadi and Jesse Wanjiku, as well as Justice Jackton Ojwang, facing the Judicial Service panel. Willis Raburu, Citizen Live at 9, Nairobi.